Hey everybody, this is the Low Tech Redneck, and I have got good news. I've got permanent funding for all of my videos. I'd like to thank Starkiller Base and all of their hospitality and generosity. What? It blew up? Figures. Hey everybody, this is an update to the video I made a week or so ago about growing of your own tobacco. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it or not, but if I can get out of the damn light. Where's it at? There are little buds starting right there. And then this one, got one right there in the center of the screen. Yay me.